So today is the ladies' favorite day of the week, and it is liver day. So we hand chop some liver, either 100% grass-fed or pasture-raised pork liver for the ladies, and we give them some liver a few times a week. Okay, so it's important to know that the amount of nutrients in an egg depends on the amount of nutrients present in the hen's diet. So this is documented in the literature. So I'm sure many of you guys know that liver is nature's multivitamin, so it contains a number of bioavailable nutrients, including retinol. So as a result of giving our ladies a wide array of nutrients in liver, the eggs will have more nutrients. And the chickens absolutely love it. And if this is not proof that chickens are not meant to be vegetarians, I don't know what else is. There you go. So do not be fooled by those vegetarian fed labels. Okay, that's enough for you. Now let's share. Do not be fooled by the vegetarian fed labels at grocery stores, because chickens are opportunistic omnivores. They're meant to eat both plants and animal products. And clearly this is not scalable or sustainable long-term, chopping up liver every couple of days, but this is just what we're doing right now, and we will find an alternative solution down the line. But have to make sure that our ladies get their liver in to get some more nutrients in. Very good, Peggy. One more time. Come on, Peggy. Come on. Very good. All right, so all the liver is chopped up, so let's go feed the ladies. So all truly pasture-raised eggs are going to be nutrient dense. However, here at Angel Acres, we are just trying to maximize that nutrient density and the fatty acid profile of our eggs. And both of those are impacted by the diet of the hens. So we feed our chickens a custom-made low PUFA corn and soy-free feed, in addition to liver supplementation and tallow supplementation, and we believe that that affects the nutrient profile, and then it also affects the fatty acid profile of our eggs. So if you guys are interested in some Angel Acres eggs, make sure you check out our website, link in the description below. We are a little low on supply right now. The ladies don't lay as many eggs in the winter months, and we are having a hard time keeping up with the amazing, incredible demand from you guys. So if you are interested and we are sold out, check out the waiting list. So there's a link to the waiting list in the description below. It's just a simple Google form, and we will email you and notify you when we are back in stock and have increased the hen count here so that we can produce more eggs and ship out more egg boxes to you all. So until our next video, make sure you're behaving like an angel.